is free, and I would never let you go. 'Cause of you, don't wanna waste another minute without you. I will love you in the dark, and if you ever fall out, please don't leave me out, 'cause I will love you till I'm gone. If you just hold on.
What's up, Van Clan, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking this beauty out for the first time, and we are so excited. I'm having to go to the store real quick before we go. We have some friends going with us today. You guys know my only friend, Allie, and her kids. I also have to get some water. I completely spaced on telling Garrick to get water yesterday when he went. So yeah, we gotta get life jackets, some water. Also, when we get back from the boat, I have a really fun thing planned for the kids, so I'm excited for that too. I'm just determined to have a good day today. Alright, we got what we needed. I ended up getting more than we needed. I got a tube for the boat, which is gonna be so much fun. I'm hoping the kids will wanna do that with me. Now we're finally on the way home, and we're gonna gas up and get on the water. Garrett's getting the boat ready, but if you guys remember, we took the bus and we went camping, and the mattresses that we used, we're using them right now in our living room because tonight we're gonna have a movie night. We're gonna watch all kinds of kids movies, have a bunch of popcorn and candy, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. The kids are super excited for that, so shout out to Brooklyn Bedding for sponsoring this video. I'll tell you guys all about it later on in the video, but for now, it's boat time.
I just blew up the tube. The kids are gonna go first. They're already excited. At first, when I first blew it up, they were like, no, I'm not doing it. They're ready to go first. So we're so excited, tubing for the first time on the new boat.
You guys ready? Woo! You have so much fun. Yeah. So we just made it off the boat. Kids are a little bit traumatized because we went through this area called the Pass.
It's two mainlands on either side, and it's like it's an open way to like the main part of the ocean.
So a lot of ships and a lot of boats go through, and the waves just all of a sudden got huge, and the kids were at the front of the boat, and I was honestly scared. Wilder had never seen waves like that, so he was like, I mean, the waves were huge. It wasn't just like little baby waves. Every time we would get on top of the wave, every time we would go back down, my stomach would drop. It was like a roller coaster. But everything else was a lot of fun. Bye. Thanks for coming and inviting me.
Well, thanks for coming out on the first trip.
You gonna help Daddy clean the boat? While the kids were playing outside, Garrett got our movie night ready. If you guys remember a few weeks ago, I spoke about RV Mattresses by Brooklyn Bedding, my favorite mattress brand for unique mattress size options, and I love this brand just because it's so luxurious yet so versatile and so easy to maneuver. Who wants popcorn? Tonight's sleepover, we brought them into the house and set these mattresses up on the floor to create a really fun and super comfy way to spend time together. Brooklyn Bedding is a US brand that makes mattresses in all categories, and I highly recommend these mattresses for anything, whether it be for a schoolie, your home bedroom, or even a fun camping sleepover setup. Brooklyn Chill mattress is great because it has 22 size options, 5 height options, and a really affordable price. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. Yesterday we all stayed up way too late. Obviously there was popcorn, there was movies, it was a lot of fun. But we woke up this morning kind of late and we're like, it's such a beautiful day outside. It's so sunny, it's so beautiful. So we decided we want to take the boat out. We've been watching fishing videos all morning. I'm excited. Garrett's out there getting the boat ready right now. And I'm just like cleaning up so when we get home we don't have like a mess everywhere, you know. The goal is to catch some fish for dinner, so we'll see. Garrett just hooked up the boat and we're off.
We're off.
We're
in the minivan. Pulling the boat.
Woo! Almost came with us today. Are you excited? You going on the boat for the first time? Garrett swears he's gonna catch a fish today, so
I swear it. I swear it. So we just got to our little destination. I'm actually about to set up my fishing pole and cast out a few times. This is not a great spot for fishing, but I'm gonna just throw one in anyway, see if we can catch something. But kids are having so much fun. You're looking sexy. Hey, bitch! Are you having fun?
A new place, a new home. For a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way.
Look at that girl.
In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
Yeah, I like girl that gas. That's what I'm talking about.
Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. My way, my way. My way, my way. find my way, my way, my way.
On my way.
My way. I found my
You ready to go home and cook up our crabs? Yeah.
I'm really happy we made it.
I know. You excited to eat the crabs?
Yeah,
Yeah.
just all of it.
I know.
Thank you, class for dinner. Thank you, class for dinner. My ocean.
Mama, so you have fun, dudes. I can't wait to cook up those crabs.
It's funny that we forgot to get a crab trap and then we ended up not really needing it.
Yeah, because we were gonna get a crab trap earlier, and we totally forgot. But we didn't need it.
What a day.
How
That
many
was
crabs
awesome.
do you think we caught?
I'm thinking it's like 12.
That's crazy. Mm-hmm. Mama said you have fun, dude. Yeah, you did. Home sweet home, huh, Marmos?
Lizard.
Oh. This is my favorite time of the day to like come home after you've been in the sun all day and get cozied up, especially after you've like caught your own food. Literally, there's no better feeling. Got our pot ready. Now I'm just waiting for Garrett to bring in the cooler with all the crabs in them. You got the cooler?
About to get the cooler. Can you grab this?
What is that?
That's the garment so I can set it up tonight.
Mm-hmm.
Fish finder. Some people are in love with a stripper. I'm in love with that boat.
Look at all those crabs.
Why do ice cold?
Because they're ice cold. You see that, bitch? Oh my goodness. That's a crab.
Let's wash them and cook them up. Nothing like eating something you caught fresh.
That's what I said earlier. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Today's Instagram channel are these crabs.
Shout out these crabs. Thank you, God, for blessing this meal.
If you like this video, please hit a big thumbs up. Subscribe
Crab
to our
thumbs.
channel if you have not already.
Tickle that notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos. And yes, I did say tickle that notification bell. Smash it, tickle it, whatever you gotta do. See you in the next one.
See you in the next one.
If you just hold